Love is the bridge between you and everything. Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel and my studio. Today I have a little surprise for you because I have just received this really cool box from Galen Leather. Now when I saw this online, I absolutely fell in love with it. I thought, what an amazing tool. So I tried it out and let you guys know what I think. Now it is actually a box made out of wood. It's handcrafted and it is designed to carry your drawing and writing supplies. So if you want to draw when you're out and about, when you're waiting for something, or when you're taking, for example, a bus ride. But let's have a look at what it looks like and if it really is as good as I imagine it is to be. Look at this. It's a lovely wood. Wow. Okay, let's get it out of the box. Okay, now that it's all out, I can actually tell you that I really like that it's got little legs here to stand on, so it's not scratching the table or anything like this. It's quite lovely, and it sort of stays put as well, which I guess would be really important for if you're actually drawing on the go. Again, I absolutely love its finish. It's so smooth and so lovely, and the pattern and the color of the wood is absolutely beautiful. There's also a little lock right here, which is quite nice, so you can just, with just one thumb, open it or close it, and then it's securely closed, which again would be absolutely necessary if you are taking it along with you. Okay, now when you open it, I also got it with the leather straps because I wanted to use it as a carry-on sort of a thing with all of my art stuff in there. But I think it does come separate, so it's a kind of a thing where you'd have to get those separately. I would imagine this would be, also looking at it now on the inside, it would be perfect for storing your supplies as well. Like if you know you've got lots of things, you need to store them somewhere. This is so lovely. This is velvet here. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so here it is, the Galen Leather stationery quality celebrated for quality and ingenuity. Okay, and I will also tell you guys a little bit more about this company and their beautiful but tragic story. It comes from Turkey. This box came to me from Turkey. Let's have a look. So there's something here. Oh, there's a little bit about their story. And this is a little trinket to, I guess, repel the evil eye, you know, the curses. Some tea. That's lovely. A 10% off my next purchase, and a refreshing towel. Gosh, there are lots of little presents here. This is so sweet. How lovely. And some Turkish coffee as well, instant coffee. Oh, this is so sweet. Love is the bridge between you and everything. Now this is just so sweet. And there's a little card here. Okay, we'll have a look at this later, so I'll just put this aside. And there's more. This is, what are these? These are like little stickers, or probably something for those of you who love bookkeeping and things like that. This is great. And this is all, you know, Istanbul. This is all sort of like about, you know, Turkey themed, and this is beautiful. This is so lovely. And thank you for your purchase. So this is you know, the care instructions and things like that. Yep. Okay, so let's have a look at the box. Okay, so this is nice and velvety, and this is all leather. I'll just pull it this way so you can guys see. This is all leather, and then we've got all of these little sort of bands, elastic bands, to keep all of the things in. If you would like to actually see some more tutorials, remember to subscribe to this channel, or go and check out my Patreon page where I post all the extra in-depth tutorials on color theory, on how to structure things, including human face and so on. Also, we do giveaways every month and a lot of other fun things like voting for the favorite videos where you guys can win prizes. So make sure to go and check it out. I look forward to seeing you there. Now, when you open it up, you would also notice that it has these things here on the sides. Now, these are designed so that you can actually rest your lid on top of these little spikes to help you hold up your paper if you're working on the go. Almost like a little easel that you can take with you anywhere. And there are easels that you can get in the art shops, you know, table easels that are foldable and stuff like this. Plein for a sketch, but I haven't seen anything as beautiful as this. Plus, it also works as a carrier for all of your supplies. So I can't wait to stuff it all in with my drawing and sketching materials and take this out for a trial. So let's have a look. What can we fit in here? I've got a sketchbook. This is a sketchbook with a creamy paper. Also, I already have a watercolor box that I carry with me, so I want to keep this one predominantly for sketching. So I can fit, see, an A5 sketchbook in here. This is a box that I keep all of my colored pencils, so that can fit in here quite well as well. Let's see, does it close? Yeah. Wow, this is so cool. This is so cool. And of course, I've got all of the pens and things like that that I might like to use as well, with pencils and erasers. And as you can see, there's definitely, I don't even think I'll fill all of this up. How crazy, how cool and large this is. Now, a little tip, whenever you're thinking of taking some paper and pencils or paint, whatever you use out for sketching, these little clips come in so super handy. So make sure you always have these around. You know, maybe you need to hold down some pages on your workbook, or maybe you need to hold a brush, like you can attach and put a brush on there. You can pop it in here like that for safekeeping. Let's put some pencils in and the eraser, and you can see how these bands are quite strong and tight to actually hold even stuff like that in place, which is super cool. Now, you could probably pop it in here as well. Now, this can be something very useful for example, if you want to use this for watercolor and you want to put a little palette of watercolor there, that can work really great. And of course, you know, brushes. Today I'm not interested in doing some painting. I will just take this along to do some sketching. Okay, and now I'm gonna try and put the straps on so that it's easy to take and carry around. Okay, so as I said, I think these are the things that you have to especially order. They are separate from the box, so just make sure if you do like this and you want to get one of those for yourself, make sure that you decide straight away if you want to use the straps or no straps. So yeah, they come on, they're quite tight, which is probably how it's supposed to be, you know, because it's meant to be quite snug, but at the same time it goes on quite easily. And I would imagine with time as well, because this is new, so with time they would become a little bit softer. Here we go. Look how cool this is. It almost has this really old-fashioned cool feel about it. Let's see what it's like when we take it out and about. I'm so excited. I actually used it for a few days in different locations to really get a feel for this writer's box. So I will show you some of the places I took it for sketching. The first place I took it was a Turkish cafe. What can I tell you? Using this box for the first time as an easel, I really liked how the logo badge was very handy to stop my book from sliding. I decided to sketch a fork while I was waiting for my order. It's important to do some sketching from life exercises every day, no matter if you are a beginner or a professional artist, as it keeps you sharp and keeps creativity flowing. It doesn't have to be anything major. Just sketching things that you find in your surroundings is definitely enough. And that's the beauty of using the tinted paper, like this cream shade, for example. You can apply highlights as well as shadows. My next sketching spot was near a wharf in Devonport. Beautiful and relaxing spot. I actually find that the leather straps are easier to put on and remove as they naturally get stretched to the size of the box. Here I will sketch some beautiful old buildings. It was just as easy to set up the box on my knees as it was on the table, which means you can easily use it on the bus, airplane, train, or anywhere else where you can find yourself stuck with nothing to do. Sketching on the go is not about producing perfectly finished artworks. It's about capturing the essence of what is around you in a quick sketch, where you don't need to be restricted by your regular style or subject matter. It's a wonderful way to keep your artistic eye sharp and creative mojo flowing. And of course, having useful tools like this writing box would make it easier to keep this practice going. You will see how quickly it will help you to improve your skill. This box comes in different patterns and color variations as it is made from natural materials that can vary. It's hand finished and it shows. You can really feel the love that the creators put into it. By the way, Galen Leather did not pay me or sponsor this video, but they did send me this box after I reached out. And you know, guys, that I'm very honest about what I think. And I would not promote something that I didn't think was quality. At this stage of the trial, I can tell you with certainty that I absolutely love how stylish and well made it is, and the very well thought through design. It's big enough to hold everything I need and more, but small enough to comfortably sit on the table in a public space without intruding. Now, as I promised, I will tell you about the story of the people behind the products. Galen Leather is a family business that creates many different leather and wooden stationery products. They design and construct them to be both useful and beautiful. The business started from scratch in 2012 and grew as beautiful creations found their way to the hearts of people from all over the world. There is a sad side to the story, unfortunately. Zainab, the founder and a designer, has passed away from cancer in 2019, and now her husband and a brother are carrying on her legacy. You can read more on their website. I will leave a link underneath the video. So now that I have been using this writing box for a few days, I can tell you that I am so impressed with the quality and handy design of this wooden box. In my opinion, it will last for a very long time, and even wear and tear that it will accumulate over time will just add to its character and charm. It would also be a great present to any creative person, like an artist or a writer. Even if you love doing some scrapbooking or need a beautiful storage box for your letters and stamps, you'll find it handy. And what a joy it brought me just looking at it on my table. Thank you so much, Janos, for sending it to me. It's even better than I thought. As always, I would like to thank my wonderful patrons for supporting this channel. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and thank you so much for hanging out with me. Make sure to watch more videos that are popping up on your screen right now.